Unlock a whole new level of flexibility in your online transactions by learning how to create multiple virtual credit cards with Wise in this quick tutorial. We'll demystify the process, address crucial limitations, and highlight the importance of adhering to Wise's terms of service and ethical practices. First, ensure you have a verified Wise account once logged in. Navigate to the Cards section here. You'll find the option to order a new card for virtual cards. You'll select the virtual card option. Wise generally allows you to create a limited number of virtual cards linked to your existing balances. The key to managing multiple VCCs is funding them. Each virtual card draws from your available Wise balances. You can easily add funds to your account in various currencies, and then allocate them to specific virtual cards as needed, allowing for granular control over your spending. Now, understanding limitations and terms of service is paramount. Wise has policies in place to prevent misuse, and it's crucial to familiarize yourself with them. Excessive or suspicious activity can lead to account restrictions, so always use virtual cards responsibly and in accordance with Wise's guidelines. When it comes to online transactions, virtual cards offer an excellent layer of security by not exposing your main bank details. However, be mindful of where you use them. Avoid using VCCs for recurring payments unless explicitly permitted by Wise, and always ensure the merchant is reputable. In essence, creating multiple VCCs with Wise is about smart financial management and enhanced online security. Remember, the goal is convenience and protection, not circumventing rules. Always prioritize ethical usage and honor Wise's terms.